Ready to unlock the secrets behind your website's performance and maximize your Google Ads campaigns with the power of Google Tag Manager? First things first, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard and make sure you have access to the backend of your website. You'll need administrator privileges for this. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand side. In the plugins area, search for Google Tag Manager for WordPress or GTM for WP. I'll guide you in using the plugin Google Tag Manager for WordPress. So install this plugin. Once installation is complete, activate the plugin. Okay, now swing on over to Google Tag Manager. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Google Tag Manager website. You'll be prompted to set up an account. Enter your account name, usually the name of your business or organization. The next step will be to create a container, choosing web as the target platform for your website. You will be asked to agree to the terms of service. Please do so. Doing this will present you with the GTM code. Google Tag Manager is going to give you two code snippets. One needs to be placed in the head section of your website and the other needs to go in the body section. Luckily, the WordPress plugin we just installed handles this for us. Head back to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, look for Google Tag Manager. Right at the bottom, enter your Google Tag Manager container ID, which you can find inside of Google Tag Manager. The plugin will automatically add it to your site. Now, let's integrate Google Ads within Google Tag Manager. Add a new tag and select Google Ads Conversion Tracking. You'll need your conversion ID and conversion label from Google Ads. Make sure you've set up at least one conversion in Google Ads for this to work, and test that everything is tracking properly. Finally, go back to Google Tag Manager and publish your Workspace. Your Tag Manager is now deployed. Now you can track conversions seamlessly and gain detailed insights into your website's performance. Congrats! You've successfully set up Google Tag Manager for Google Ads.